Hi everyone, this is Todd at PCC. Today we're here to talk about the Pfannenberg products and specifically a new filter that they've designed. And I have Andy Delleman from our rep agency here to talk about that. Andy, could you tell us a little bit about Pfannenberg in general?
Sure. Pfannenberg is a family-owned company based in Germany. They do have a headquarters in the United States just outside of Buffalo, New York. And they specialize in climate control technology for industrial enclosures. So products like filter fans, air-to-water heat exchangers, air conditioners, heaters, thermostats, stuff along those lines.
Okay. So with filter fans, you always have to replace those things a lot, right?
Yes, that is correct.
And Pfannenberg came up with kind of a unique solution.
Primarily for the air conditioners.
Okay.
Air conditioners can be seen in some pretty harsh environments, and they can get, their life expectancy can get shortened pretty quick by wood, plastics, oils, stuff like that. So they developed a filter which is quick and easy to install and change, just to save time and cost, and it also help extend the life of the air conditioner.
And this works with just Pfannenberg air conditioners? Or?
No, any air conditioner on the market it can be used with, which is great.
So that seems to be a big benefit,
Yes.
I would say.
Yes.
What are some of the other benefits?
So mostly, like I mentioned, the benefits are time. It's going to save time as far as installation. There's no tools needed. Even changing the filters, someone sees that it's dirty, they can walk up to it, change the filter, put on the new one, and they're done in a matter of minutes. So it really saves everybody time.
Okay, all right. You want to give us a little demonstration on how that works?
I'd love to. So it comes right out of the box in a roll like this, and it can either mount on the top or the side of your air conditioner. And you just pull it out, pull it across the intake of the air conditioner, and then it comes with another magnet to hold it in place. And between the two magnets and the fan sucking the air in, it's going to stay in place. One day you'll walk by and see that it's dirty, and all you got to do is take this magnet off, pull it off, and it comes with pre-perforated sheets. Tear it off, put the magnet back on, you're good to go.
Awesome.
So,
And is it one size or is it?
it'll come in 3 separate sizes. It's 8, 12, and 16-inch width rolls. Each roll is going to be 8 inches, or each section is 8 inches in height, and it comes with 60 sheets. So it could last you as much as a month or a year, depending on how often you need to change it.
Okay, cool. All right, so that wraps it up. Thank you very much for your attention. For more information on this product, check out the link in the description at the bottom, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.